Hello guys, today we are talking about masking. So let's start the video. In the previous video, we saw how to apply effects on the entire video. When we apply any effects, its value increases across the whole video just like that. But what if we want to apply effects on this specific portion? In such situation, we use masking. As you can see in the Gaussian Blur effect, we have three different options. We have ellipse, we have rectangle, and we have pen tool. We can freely draw any area by using a pen tool. So what does masking actually do? Right now, the blur effect has been applied on the entire video. This means that even the person's face is getting blurred. But with the help of masking, we can control this. For example, we can select a small circle and place on the person's face, just like that, and make it smaller according to the requirement. After applying the mask, if you increase the blur value, it will only affect the area inside the circle, not the whole video. Masking is very simple, just draw the area where you want to apply the effect. You can also use pen tool to draw any kind of shape. To reduce sharpness, create a smooth impact, we can also apply feather to the mask. You can also use mask expansion just to adjust the value as needed. If the subject is moving, simple masking wouldn't work. In that case, we use tracking. Just select the mask and choose track selected mask forward. Tracking will start, it may take some time. Just increase the blur value and now just play the video. You will see the blur effect is moving along with the face. You can select any effect you want, just go to effect controls and just drag the effect onto the video and change the parameter as per the requirement. If you want to apply effect on the half of the video, you can do it with the help of masking. Simply select the rectangle, increase the blurriness value up to 50. Now just play the video. You can see half of the video is blurred. You can draw any shape using a pen tool, just like that. Where you want to apply the masking. Now just increase the value up to 50% and now just play the video. That's all for today. See you in the next video. If you like my video, just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.